gets even warmer tomorrow. Of course, that warmth is going to end up leading actually to some storms out there. And then we go the opposite direction. It gets really cold out there. Look, it's all part of what I've listed here for you. We will be talking about the warmth. We will be talking about T-storms for tomorrow. Some of those storms could be on the severe side even. And then the possibility for some snow. I mean, it's a lot to get to here. And from one end of the spectrum to the other. So let's head on over and we'll make some sense of it right now. We were, in fact, the warmest February in our history. February now, finishing it up, and it comes in the #1 spot. We have averaged 41.2 degrees, the warmest we've ever been in the month of February since we've been keeping records, which goes back to the 1800s. 41.2 is what we averaged. We should be about 35 degrees. All right, so well above average. We had 4 60-degree days or more. We had one 70-degree day or more. And you know what? We got a 70-degree day looming for tomorrow. But with that warmth and a front pushing through the area, we have a risk for severe weather tomorrow. Now, we're all shaded in this yellow color, whereas yesterday was kind of like half green, half yellow. Well, the yellow shows you that they've ramped it up now. Instead of being a 10 to 20% chance for some folks, the entire area now in a 20 to 30% chance for the chance to see some severe weather. We're starting to see some pretty good size, downpours, and they're not the strongest downpours ever, but some moderate rain making its push into Philadelphia. The orange color, which is still off to the west, shows you where the real heavy rain is. And that's going to make its push into Ocean County, maybe up into Monmouth County, Middlesex County. I even think some of it could break away and make its way through the city, I say, like, a couple hours from now. Bigger picture will show you. We've got a chance for some of this to organize itself for the morning hours. So even in the morning, you could see, a heavy storm come through the area. Then you catch a break. This is where you're going to warm those temperatures up, and then that's just going to serve to, spark off some storms, at least a possibility for it later on in the afternoon. Let's time everything out for you. Here we are. This is 8 o'clock tonight, and this is what I'm talking about, the chance for some of those storms that are south of the area, or at least the heavier rain, to make its push up to the north a little bit. That's 8 o'clock tonight. Then you get to tomorrow morning. Here we are, 11 a.m., and the first bout of some heavier downpours pushing through the area. And again, the chance for some storms out there. Then you get to 6 p.m. Here comes the second bout coming through the area. Then after that, it will start to taper off a bit as you get into your day. On Thursday, looks good. And now watch this. Cold air filters in for Friday, and that is snow that could be falling out there. So how much rain are we looking at? Looks like the rainfall amounts would be anywhere from about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. Those numbers would be bigger if you get one of those heavy embedded thunderstorms on top of you. And as far as snow, it's not a number, but, a trace to an inch or maybe a little bit more than an inch in some spots north of the city. So we'll keep an eye on it. 70 tomorrow, mild with that storm chance. 52 on Thursday. Temperatures are dropping fast, so that Friday you start off at around 33, get up to 40, and there is going to be a chance for some snowflakes out there. I think the bigger totals, and again, an inch or so would be north of the area, but that could change. I'll let you know. And then Saturday, you don't even get out of the 30s with a high temperature of only 38 degrees.
All right, thank you. We'll enjoy tomorrow.